Here's a JavaScript quirk that trips up beginners. Type of null returns object, but typeof undefined returns undefined. This isn't just trivia. It hints at why null and undefined serve different purposes in TypeScript. Undefined means a variable has been declared but never assigned a value. TypeScript uses it for uninitialized variables, missing function return values, and properties that don't exist. Null, on the other hand, is an intentional assignment. It's how you explicitly say no value here by design. You actively set something to null, whereas undefined just happens by default. TypeScript's strictNullChecks compiler option makes this distinction critical. When enabled, null and undefined become separate types that can't be assigned to variables unless you explicitly allow them. This catches bugs where you forget to handle missing values. Without strictNullChecks, both can sneak into any variable, making your code fragile. In practice, optional parameters and properties default to undefined, never null. That typeof quirk we mentioned, it's because null is a primitive that JavaScript mistakenly reports as an object. A legacy bug from the language's first version. Undefined has its own type. So when you see null, someone put it there. When you see undefined, something was never initialized or doesn't exist. Bottom line, null is intentional absence. Undefined is uninitialized or missing. TypeScript keeps them distinct, so you can write safer, more predictable code. Enable strictNullChecks to enforce this. Master these fundamentals and more at interviewmentor.ai. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.